Good afternoon from Western Material Handling. This is Dennis and Stefan. Today we're looking at our stock unit number 2399. This unit is a 2005 Hyster 8,000 pounds an H80XM forklift. Forklift has 8,000 pound capacity. It's equipped with a 146-inch two-stage mast. It does have side shift. Great solid pneumatic tires, singles up front. Forklift's running a diesel engine. Stefan's going to run the mast up, see what 146 inches looks like. It's 12 foot 2 inches. Forklift has brand new paint and super low hours, under 6,000 hours. Showing us the rear tilts, forward tilt. This forklift's equipped with side shift to get around 7 inches of side-to-side movement. You can use a forklift like this, come to Western Material Handling. This is on our Fort Collins lot. Come see us at Western Material Handling, Fort Collins, Denver. Check us out at betterforklift.com. Thank you.